Shibanta ka Pan India Awareness and Outreach jongka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav but ka jingle Burom Legal Service Week na kalyang ka District Legal Service Authority DLSA ringkat ka District Administration hinna ka singi kalapan long ya ka jingiaphylliew jingmut halor ka phang. A talk on the SDG Programme and the 2030 Agenda of the United Nations, her conference hall ka office trekam u Deputy Commissioner ka West Chandia Hills. Haganika jingalang lapnya daka RM Karsantiyo Chief Judicial Magistrate cum Secretary DLSA kala airu ki kentian petiang burom. Layo eka PowerPoint presentation naka H Thaba but u Arijit Devnath ki balongkum ki consultant ka planning department. UAS Mukhim Additional Deputy Commissioner haba ajin kren uong bakum ki batray sarkar don kami ki ban pintikna na ka banta ban pintre hok yaki scheme knang ban la ban wan ra ajin kalaya kari shu ki sahab sarkar ki de ban tre katkum ki thong balabu di kitna tre kam jong ki knang bahaki snap ki ban wan ka thong kan long ka bajom kiwi par ba ajin kren haga ne ka singi kutup ya ka DD Sengai ADC Katbaya ki kentien kuble layo na kasunita M. Sayu Mukhtiar ka Jawai Bar Association.
Happy with that, however, as the chairperson has already stated, we should not be happy with only achieving a target of one particular goal. We have another 15 more goals. Out of the 17, as the consultant has pointed out, there is one goal which is not linked maybe to Meghalaya. So we have to strive hard to reach at least in the top spots, or maybe the top 10, or maybe top 5 of all the other goals that are related to us. Based on these social development goals, in particular the Government of India, for a celebration of its 75 years of independence, has come up with Amrit ki Azadi ki Amrit Mahotsav. This is also to highlight what all the departments have been doing. The initiatives taken by the different departments, maybe to achieve the goals that have been spelled out, or maybe to go out of the way to come up with initiatives, with projects, programs to make our country a much more better country, a much more better country than what it is at present. The years to come, and especially the few months leading to the 75 years celebration of the 75 years of our independence, I would like to urge all the district heads to think seriously about the action plan that has been spelled out by the various departments, go back to the drawing boards, come up with solutions as to how do we achieve those goals or the plans that we have kept for ourselves. And maybe in a few months or maybe a few years, we will see that we are not only good in, we will not only achieve the goals that is spelled out to us only in one particular goal. However, the other remaining goals that we have to work upon that are still at the bottom of the SDG index, we would at least better our position in the months and years to come.